Nothing beats a fresh cup of espresso to start the day or start a business. If you're looking for the best automatic espresso machine for you that's available on the market today, here are 5 excellent options we found. Be sure to check out the description below. The 5th product on this list is the Breville Barista Touch. The Breville Barista Touch is an excellent choice for coffee enthusiasts who want a high-quality espresso machine with an easy-to-use interface. Its standout feature is the intuitive touchscreen, which makes navigating through different drink options and customizing your coffee incredibly simple. You can choose from various presets like espresso, latte, or cappuccino, and even adjust grind size, milk texture, and temperature to your liking. The built-in grinder is another highlight, ensuring fresh coffee grounds for each brew, and it offers a range of settings for different grind sizes. The automatic steam wand is a great addition for those who prefer lattes or cappuccinos, delivering consistently silky microfoam without the need for advanced barista skills. While the machine is a bit on the pricier side, the level of control and customization it offers justifies the investment, especially for those who enjoy experimenting with their coffee. The Barista Touch is also fairly compact, making it suitable for most kitchen counters. However, do note that it may require regular cleaning and maintenance to keep it running optimally, but that's expected with high-end espresso machines. Overall, the Breville Barista Touch is a versatile and user-friendly machine that delivers cafe-quality drinks at home. The 4th product on this list is the Philips 4400 LatteGo. The Philips 4400 LatteGo is an exceptional automatic espresso machine, especially for those who value convenience and versatility. One of its standout features is the LatteGo milk system, which makes frothing milk for lattes and cappuccinos incredibly easy and mess-free. Unlike traditional frothers, LatteGo is designed without tubes, making it simpler to clean and maintain, which is a huge plus for busy users. This machine comes with an intuitive display that allows you to choose from a range of coffee drinks, including espresso, Americano, cappuccino, and more. The fully automatic operation takes away the guesswork, making it ideal for beginners who want cafe-quality drinks at the push of a button. The adjustable settings for coffee strength, temperature, and milk quantity allow for a good level of personalization. Another highlight is the ceramic grinder, known for its durability and ability to deliver consistently fine coffee grounds without overheating the beans. The machine is also relatively compact, fitting well in most kitchens. However, do note that it can be a bit loud during operation, and some users might find the water reservoir a bit small for multiple drinks. The Philips 4400 LatteGo offers an impressive blend of convenience, ease of use, and quality, perfect for home coffee lovers or small-time cafes. Still haven't found the best automatic espresso machine for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the DeLonghi Dinamica Plus. The DeLonghi Dinamica Plus is an impressive fully automatic espresso machine designed for those who want high-quality coffee with minimal effort. Its standout feature is the True Brew over Ice function, which makes it ideal for iced coffee lovers by brewing a smooth, strong coffee directly over ice. This sets it apart from many other espresso machines. The color touchscreen display is intuitive, allowing users to easily select from a variety of coffee drinks like espresso, cappuccino, and lattes. You can also customize the strength, temperature, and milk froth to your liking. The Latte Crema system ensures perfect milk frothing for creamy lattes and cappuccinos, and the milk carafe is detachable, making it easy to store in the fridge. Another key feature is the smart connectivity with the DeLonghi Coffee Link app. You can control the machine remotely, customize drinks, and even save your favorite coffee profiles, which adds to its convenience. However, do note that the Dinamica Plus can be a bit noisy during operation, and the price point might be high for casual users. The quality, ease of use, and wide range of coffee options make the DeLonghi Dinamica Plus a top choice for serious coffee enthusiasts seeking cafe-quality drinks. The 2nd product on this list is the Bosch 800 series VeroCafe. The Bosch 800 series VeroCafe is a sleek and reliable automatic espresso machine, perfect for those who want consistent, high-quality coffee with minimal effort. Known for its sturdy build and intuitive interface, this machine offers a variety of coffee options like espresso, cappuccino, and lattes at the touch of a button. The ceramic grinder ensures that coffee grounds are consistently fine, preserving the beans' aroma and flavor without overheating them. One of the key features is its Milk Magic Pro system, which allows for easy milk frothing, making it perfect for lattes and cappuccinos. It delivers silky froth with minimal effort, a great addition for those who love milk-based coffee drinks. The dual spouts allow you to make 2 drinks simultaneously, which is handy when entertaining guests. The VeroCafe also stands out for its ease of maintenance, with an automatic cleaning program that ensures the machine remains in top condition. Its compact design means it fits well in most kitchens without taking up too much space. However, do note that a minor downside is that it doesn't offer as many customization options as some higher-end models, like grind size or drink strength adjustments. For those who prioritize convenience and quality, the Bosch 800 series VeroCafe is an excellent choice. Before we reveal the top automatic espresso machine on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, the top automatic espresso machine is the KitchenAid KF7. The KitchenAid KF7 is a high-end espresso machine that appeals to coffee aficionados who appreciate both style and substance. This machine features a dual boiler system, allowing users to brew espresso and steam milk simultaneously, which is a standout feature for those who want to make multiple drinks quickly. The stainless steel design not only looks sleek, but also ensures durability, making it a reliable addition to any kitchen. One of the major advantages of the KF7 is its PID temperature control, which maintains a consistent brewing temperature, resulting in more precise extraction and better tasting coffee. This feature ensures that each shot of espresso is rich in flavor and balanced. The manual steam wand offers excellent control over milk frothing, allowing users to create velvety microfoam for cappuccinos or lattes with professional-level precision. While the machine is somewhat large, its robust build justifies the counter space it occupies. It's also easy to clean, with a removable drip tray and accessible components. The built-in shot timer is a nice addition for those who want to perfect their extraction time. However, do note that this machine doesn't have a built-in grinder, which means users will need a separate grinder for fresh coffee grounds. Additionally, the price may be steep for casual coffee drinkers. The KitchenAid KF7 is an excellent investment for serious espresso enthusiasts, offering consistency, control, and quality in every brew. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button, and if you can't wait for the next video, check out these 2 that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.